Namaskar. Myself C. M. Manmohan Jindal, registered valuer in security and financial assets. So we have to prepare a valuation report finally while finishing our work. So what should be the content of the valuation report? Minimum वो तो minimum points होने ही चाहिए. So we know that valuation report is very important document which the valuer has to share with his client. Unless and until he will not share the valuation report, the work is not completed and his fees will also not be shared to the valuer. So valuation report is the outcome of very complex analytical exercise undertaken by a valuer during the evaluation. Though it looks very simple from the outside, but it is not so, and ये बहुत ही complex work है जो कि एक वैल्यूअर को करना चाहिए और वैल्यूअर करता है. सो कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो कि रिपोर्ट में होने चाहिए. Unless and until the report will not reflect the true idea of the work done. So valuation report is the first document that a valuer presents to the intended user. So that valuation report should be written by providing the correct information, because it is prepared after the enough research work and it should not be unbiased. The audience, the promoter, the stakeholder of the report should have a clear idea of the subject and the clear valuation while reading the report. Because the points which are in your mind, that should be reflected into the report, because it is not possible they should read the valuation report like that you are telling the report in front of you. The whole report should follow a proper write-up flow, like first of all introduction, it should have a body, it should have a conclusion, it should have a summary. By looking summary, we can see that what should be into the content of the valuation report. So a good title, subheadings, bullet points, table, reference links make the report impressive, well structured, and formal. So here the valuer needs to understand that valuation is an opinion. Valuation is only a opinion and it is not a certification. It is not a certification. Hence, it is advised to use the following words in the report. In our opinion, the fair value is. Because the valuation work is very subjective and not the objective, and different valuer may have the different view. Though it is a mixture of art and science, but the whole work of uh, valuation is subjective and depends on the professional judgment of the valuer. The company's registered valuers and valuation rules 2017 and ICI valuation standards clearly spells out the minimum requirement for a valuation report. So here the 5 most important points should be included into the evaluation report, because until and unless we are included the points, the valuation report will not reflect its true sense. First, scope क्या है? पर्पस क्या है असाइनमेंट का, हम किस डेट को वैल्यूएशन कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हर अलग दिन पर सर्कमस्टांसेस अलग होते हैं, मार्केट अलग होती है, सेंटिमेंट्स अलग होते हैं, और वैल्यूएशन बदल सकता है। वैल्यूएशन मेथडोलॉजीज हमने क्या अपनाई है, किस अप्रोच को यूज किया है, इसका भी नरेशन वैल्यूएशन रिपोर्ट में होना चाहिए। क्या हम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगा रहे हैं, लिमिटेशंस लगा रहे हैं ऑन द यूजेस ऑफ द वैल्यूएशन रिपोर्ट, एंड मेजर assumptions shall be reiterated in the conclusion paragraph. सो हमने किस assumptions पे दिया है, वेदर हम मार्केट अप्रोच लगा रहे हैं या हमने ये डाटा मार्केट से लिया है, कोरोबोरेटिव किया है डाटा को या नहीं किया है, डायरेक्ट इंडस्ट्रीज को, इंडस्ट्री स्टैंडर्ड्स को रेफर किया है या नहीं किया है, और हम किस किस के ऊपर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगाना चाहते हैं, किस किस को यूज करने के लिए देना चाहते हैं, उसके ऊपर भी एक डिस्क्लेमर होना चाहिए। सो फॉर लास्ट, क्या केवर्ड्स लगाए हैं, क्या डिस्क्लेमर्स लगाए हैं, क्या लिमिटेशंस हैं वैल्यूएशन रिपोर्ट को पढ़ने में, वह भी पूरी तरीके से वैल्यूअर को स्पेल्ड आउट करने चाहिए। So this is on behalf of the little points which should be the part of the valuation report, may be useful for the valuer. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।